Two things are going to happen in UI. AI assistants will guide you through human-designed UIs. AIs will create new UIs on the fly as needed to assist you in whatever you need to get done. Some simple, consumer-oriented tasks can be completed by AI without showing a UI at all. In contrast, in the enterprise space, AI will be blended with UI. The more seamlessly, the better. That's what we're going to show you today. The ideal blend of AI and UI, and how to achieve that. So, let's imagine we're in an advanced web application. This one is a sample order management application that allows you to manage the data for orders and customers, including adding new orders. With built-in screen expansions, saved searches, and intuitive views of data via statistical dashboards and charts. All of the smart client applications you build come with powerful data visualization features built in that most users aren't even aware of and would definitely use if they were. Well, with an AI assistant, that's exactly what you get. In this application, say we want to search the order grid to only show orders created in the last 9 months with an order total greater than $30,000, showing the largest orders first. Well, we have an AI assistant, which is built into the application where we can ask the AI to help us use it. So that's pretty amazing, right? But how did that happen? Every smart client UI has a vast array of power and flexibility, and AI, which we have integrated as a core feature, allows any user to maximally use that power, even if they aren't experts. Now, let's imagine you're in an app and you need to view or edit some data, and basically the app's UI just doesn't give you a good way to do it. Well, we've also trained the AI to build new screens on the fly. Let's look at our order management app again. We have lots of details about our orders, but what if we need to see a different view of that data that isn't readily available in the app? Let's assume we need to see our data in the form of a chart showing the order totals for all orders at each different status. This will include canceled and resolved statuses that we can't easily see visually in our app. Basically, this app's UI didn't have a screen for this use case. So, AI generated a new UI that would help the user solve the particular task. For security-minded people, note that the AI can't create a UI that the user isn't allowed to do. The AI is just helping the user do things that they are already allowed to do. In summary, the big picture here is that AI will interact with UI in multiple ways. It will act as a co-pilot, helping you to use an existing UI. It generates a UI on the fly to interact with systems that don't have a UI at all. This is just a brief view of what can be achieved. In the future, AI assistance is going to be a core expectation of every user of an application. Building your own AI assistant would require a huge amount of expertise and potentially significant rewrites of existing applications just to get something working. With the right AI integration in your applications, you can supply an on-demand extension engine, ensuring optimal application and user performance. With the help of Isomorphic experts, we can seamlessly provide assistance with adding AI to your existing UI. Our expertise and our trained AI agents are cross-cutting and apply to any UI technologies and any application. Deliver ongoing tuning and data collection by providing systems to monitor the AI's performance, gather feedback, curate feedback, and use it to train a more effective AI. Naive strategies such as direct user feedback to AIs tend to cause AIs to go insane and start giving nonsense results. We can create a pipeline where feedback is curated and then applied as training data for your AI, incrementally upgrading it based on feedback without the risk of rogue AI. Get in touch with Isomorphic today to explore the future of AI for UI and transform your business.